Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into Excel and sharing a super handy shortcut to quickly generate serial numbers. Are you tired of manually typing out long sequences of numbers? Well, get ready to say goodbye to that tedious task. Let's learn how to use the Alt+H+F+I+S shortcut. First, open your Excel spreadsheet and select the cell where you want the serial numbers to start. Let's say we want to start in cell A2. Now, here comes the magic shortcut. Hold down the Alt key, then press H, F, I, and finally S. You'll see a dialog box appear. In the Fill Series dialog box, choose Series and as columns. This will generate the numbers vertically. You can also choose rows for horizontal generation. In the Type section, select Linear for a simple number sequence. Now, set the step value to 1. This will increment the numbers by 1. Finally, enter the stop value as the last number you want in the series. Click OK, and voila! Your serial numbers are generated automatically. To customize the starting number, simply type the desired number in the first cell before using the shortcut. For instance, if you want to start with 100, type 100 in cell A2 and then apply the shortcut. You can also adjust the step value to increment by different amounts, like 2, 5, or 10. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to generate serial numbers in Excel using the Alt+H+F+I+S shortcut. This time-saving tip will definitely boost your productivity. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel hacks. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who use Excel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.